Let's move on. Technical analysis now. Howard Friend joins us from MIG in Switzerland. And we're going to kick off with euro-dollar, though maybe euro-Swissy would be slightly closer to your heart. But, Howard, where's the single currency going versus the greenback?
I think it's going much lower. The charts that we've got here are monthly candlesticks, and what you'll notice is I've drawn kind of horizontal lines through the two-bar highs and lows. Now, this month we broke through the two-bar high, but rejected. So typically what you see on this chart is that many of the multi-month moves tend to unfold after the failure to break above or below one of these horizontal lines. Now, as I say, that's what I think we've done this month. We're pretty much closing at the lower end of the month's bar, and in my opinion, I think we should head back towards that swing low at 1876.
Is that it?
No, I think we go much lower, but let's take it a step at a time.
Okay, let's take a look at euro-yen. Obviously, the yen fascinating overnight, given what's coming out in terms of policy. But what do the charts tell us?
Well, we had obviously the big breakdown from 169.97 to 112.08, followed by a correction back up to 139.22. And last few months we've broken down to new lows for this major downtrend. Now, last couple of months we've kind of flirted with the broken support of 112.08, but we've made the decisive breakthrough this month to the downside. I think we go down towards 91.80 multi-month on a multi-month basis. At that point, we'll have lost 34%, which is the amount we lost from the 169.97 high.
That will upset some policymakers in Tokyo, I suspect. Just finally, that all sounds like a very much risk-off kind of trade. I'm assuming that means that you're negative on stocks too. Absolutely, yes.
Similar pattern to euro-dollar, where we broke above the two-month high this month, but we rejected at 10.719. So again, we're seeing a very negative close for the month, which typically you should see a multi-month decline follow. So in terms of sort of price targets, I'm looking really for 9,000, maybe 8,000 at a push.
But you're not in this. There are certain people, and they come on this channel and they come on other channels as well, talking to you about the Dow at 5. Is that in any way realistic?
No. I'm quite happy to see this thing just chop around in a great big range, pretty much akin to the sort of 1966 to 82 sideways move, which saw multi-year bull and bear markets.
Howard, nice to see you, or not, as the case may be, as you're on the phone. But nice to talk with you, Howard Friend, joining us from MIG.